Railway projects present significant challenges. They tend to be large in scope, scale, and complexity. The rail design process can now be optimized and enhanced using the Autodesk AEC Collection. Using Recap Pro, you can produce and view an optimized point cloud data based on project limits. Then in InfraWorks, you can fully utilize the point cloud data by taking advantage of the automated linear feature extraction tools. These tools allow you to easily obtain existing rail and platform edge lines. These 3D lines can then be used in Civil 3D to create the existing ground surface details, as well as best fit track alignments based on the rail lines extracted for your project. With the tools in the Civil 3D rail ribbon, you can then quickly create crossover and turnout details. In addition, the track-specific sub-assemblies provide a powerful tool in creating the 3D model. These assemblies can easily simulate the project typical sections. Civil 3D provides several ways to view the dynamic model. The section editor and drive command provide opportunities to view and revise the model and inspect for any issues. To help you better understand your project design, you can efficiently create volume and geometry reports and create track charts tailored to your project. When working on platforms and stations, you can use the corridor model produced in Civil 3D and seamlessly export that design information utilizing BIM 360 into Revit, where the platform and station design can be finalized. For working with structural elements such as bridges and tunnels, InfraWorks can help you more easily lay out these elements and perform designs based on the track alignment and profile. These structural components can be easily opened in Revit, where more detailed structural analysis and design can be completed. Using the tools in the AEC Collection facilitates the collaboration between multidisciplinary teams, helping to enhance the entire rail design experience and optimizing the delivery of the project.